Hi, welcome to All About Mechanical Engineering. In today's video, we will take another question on projection of lines, a question in which the given line has two ends given in different quadrants. One end of the line is in third quadrant, whereas the other end of the line is in second quadrant. Let us take an example for a better understanding. The line DE is 90 mm long, makes 30 degrees with HP and 45 degrees with VP. The end D is 30 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP, whereas the other end is in second quadrant. Draw the projections of the line, find front view and top view lengths along with their inclinations. Let us extract the given data first. Line DE, true length 90 mm, theta equals to 30 degrees and phi equals to 45 degrees. D is 30 mm below HV and 25 mm behind VP, which puts D in third quadrant, whereas E is in second quadrant. To find front view length, top view length, alpha and beta. Let us put this given data on our normal solution in order to understand how to proceed. So this is a normal solution which is related to only a single quadrant, that is first quadrant. Here, according to the given data, this P dash should be below XY line and this P should be above XY line. Why? Because according to the third quadrant, front view should be below XY and top view should be above XY. That's the first change. Second, E is in second quadrant, according to which both front view and top view should be above XY line. That's why angle which we will be taking here, theta, should be taken upwards. So both the locus, that is front view locus of E and top view locus of E, should be above XY. Let us draw the actual solution. Taking XY line, a vertical projector, 30 mm below XY, front view D dash, 25 mm above XY, top view point D. Taking theta above, that is anti-clockwise direction, and drawing a line at an angle 30 degrees. Similarly, at phi 45 degrees from the top viewpoint D, drawing another line here. Now, taking the true length 90 mm in the compass, keeping compass on D dash, cutting one arc here, then keeping compass on D, cutting another arc. We have taken the true ends, so we'll get the locus. This is the first locus, that is locus of E in front view with the corresponding name E1 dash, and this is the another locus here, locus of E in top view with corresponding name E2. Once you have obtained these two locus, then you have to project this point to opposite points, opposite view. So E1 dash will be taken up to D with the corresponding name E1. Now keeping compass on D and radius D E1 in your compass, drawing an arc until it intersects the locus of E in top view with the name E. Then you have to bring E2 projecting vertically downward up to D dash here with the corresponding name E2 dash. Keeping compass on D dash and distance D dash, E2 D dash, rotating it until it meets the locus of E in front view, here the corresponding name E dash. If you join D dash E dash, you have obtained the front view, and joining D E gives you the top view. If you follow the steps, you will get the answers. Front view length equals to 64 mm, top view length equals to 78 mm, alpha will be 45 degrees and beta will be 55 degrees. Hope you have enjoyed the video. See you again with another video.